National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Spencer County in southwestern Indiana, central Davis County in northwestern Kentucky until 3:15 p.m. At 2:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Owensboro, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Owensboro, Rockport, Grandview, and Masonville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 165 between mile marker 63 and 70. Audubon Parkway near mile marker 23. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following county: Spencer, Indiana, and Davis, Kentucky.